We know that the zero of a polynomial p of x is that value of the variable x at which the polynomial becomes zero, and the zeros of the polynomial can be obtained by solving the corresponding polynomial equation. But do you know why the zeros of a polynomial are important? To understand the importance, we shall represent polynomials graphically and find out the geometrical meaning of their zeros. Let's begin with a linear polynomial. A linear polynomial is a polynomial of the form ax plus b where a is not equal to 0. It represents a straight line. Let's plot some linear equations and find out their zeros. Consider polynomial y equal to 3x plus 5. In order to obtain the straight line corresponding to 3x plus 5, we need points that satisfy the polynomial equation. Let's take the values of x as -2, -1 and 0. Corresponding values of y come out as -1, 2 and 5. Next, let's plot these ordered pairs in the plane, that is, -2, -1 and -1, 2, 0, 5. Now, let's join these points. Here we get the straight line corresponding to y equal to 3x plus 5. Observe the graph carefully. Can you figure out that for what value of x the polynomial y equal to 3x plus 5 gives a 0 value? Well, to find this out, you need to locate the point of intersection of the line and the x-axis. Here the line intersects the x-axis at a point with x-coordinate equal to -5 upon 3 and y-coordinate equals to 0. Thus, for x equal to -5 over 3, the polynomial becomes 0. Hence, the x-coordinate of the point of intersection of line with x-axis is the 0 of the polynomial. Observe the points of intersection of the line and the x-axis as well as the y-axis. Note that the point of intersection with y-axis cannot be the 0 of the polynomial because the value of the polynomial is not 0 at this point. So, graphically, by finding the point of intersection of the line and the x-axis, the 0 of the corresponding linear polynomial can be obtained. Let's verify this algebraically. Hence, our result is verified. Let's now take another example and find the 0 of the polynomial y equal to 4x from its graph. In order to obtain the straight line corresponding to 4x, we need points that satisfy the polynomial equation. Let's take the values of x as -1, 0 and 1. We get the corresponding values of y as -4, 0 and 4. Next, let's plot these ordered pairs, that is, pair -1, -4, pair 0, 0, and pair 1, 4 in the plane. Now let's join these points. So we get the straight line given by y equal to 4x. Observe the graph carefully. Can you figure out for what value of x the polynomial y equal to 4x gives the value 0? To find this, we need to locate the point where the line intersects the x-axis. Notice that the location of the point where the line meets the x-axis is x equal to 0 and y equals to 0. Since it points 0, 0, the value of y is 0, so by definition of 0 of a polynomial x equal to 0 is the required 0 of the polynomial. Let's verify the result algebraically. On solving, we get the 0 of polynomial y equal to 4x as x equal to 0. From these two examples, we can conclude that 0 of the linear polynomial is the x-coordinate of the point at which its graph intersects x-axis.
like a Hellcat.